Hi guys and welcome. If you want to buy cryptocurrency fast, easy and without an extra efforts or extra knowledges, definitely this video can be handy because our team spent a lot of time, money and efforts to analyze all the platforms where you can buy cryptocurrency. And today I want to provide you with the 3 small steps that you need to pass to be able to buy or sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and other Litecoin and so on and so on. There's a list of them. So there's the platform. This is one of the oldest platform. It has one of the smallest fees. It has very powerful and convenient interface. So jump into this video and you will find out how you can buy Bitcoin instantly and literally within the minutes. So the first step that you need to make, you need to pass the registration, and our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so make sure that you use this link to find the correct place. So when you're gonna press register now, you'll be able to do it with the email or mobile. I prefer and I suggest you to do it with an email. So you type it in your email, you create a new password, and then you press and create an account. Now, while I have one, I will not pass the registration because it's absolutely easy and you will figure out how's that happened. You will get it in confirmation email to your inbox, and after that you'll be on the platform itself. So let's jump to the dashboard of the platform itself. Okay, there's Binance, and it's pretty similar to the main page that you saw, and we have a couple buttons here. You can press buy now, but I'm gonna provide you with an information about all of this. So here in this small 9 dots button, you have an exchange, academy, broker, charity, cloud, and so on. And if you are just a newcomer, if you're interested in crypto for the first time, definitely Academy can be very handy because they has tons of educational materials that will be useful for educate yourself. So the second step you need to make is you go into this icon and you press into your account. Then in your account you'll see that you need to pass the security verification. The security level of your account is low and platform will say to you, because actually you'll have a deal with the funds, you'll have a deal with the money, so you definitely need it to be safe, you definitely need it to be like secure, because there are tons of scammers out there in the internet. But this platform is absolutely powerful and reliable, and it helps you to save your money. So you need to switch on the phone verification or Google verification. I'm gonna skip this one, but make sure that you've passed all this. So here we have balance. I don't have a balance. This is absolutely new account. I created this account specially for you to show you which steps you will pass to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So here in your account you can find your account, actually security, identification, API management, reward center, test center, and so on, or you can log out to this, and of course the referral program. So orders, we don't have an orders right now because we didn't get it yet. Wallet overview, fiat and spot. Here in fiat and spot you will find all the withdrawal and deposit actions that you will make. So the first thing you need to do, you need to deposit some really physical cash, like US dollars or so on. You can make it with a deposit button, or let's go to the main page, or you can go to buy crypto, this one button, buy crypto, and you have a couple options: bank deposit with a Swift bank transfer. If you have a bank account and you want to buy it with a Swift, probably you heard about the Swift. Yeah, it's very famous and popular international exchange and transfer of the funds, Swift. If not, it's not so convenient actually, because it takes from 1 to 3 days to send money from your bank to the platform. So the best way is credit or debit card. If you newbie in this one, and if you just interested in cryptocurrencies and you didn't made any purchases of crypto yet, definitely it's better to use the credit or debit card. P2P trading and third-party payment. Also, if you don't have a credit or debit card, that I think is impossible in 2021, then you can use the third-party payment like Paxos. P2P trading is like peer-to-peer, and you can buy crypto from physical human from P2P. But I suggest you to use the credit or debit card. You just press in here, and I'll show you that all the things will appear here. Overview, buy and sell history. So how to buy with a bank card. You input your amount, confirm payment details, complete 3D safety certification, complete payment. So here you can buy crypto up to $5,000, not more, because you're not verified yet, and you can change the currency that you want to buy. And there's a list of them. Definitely it's a big and huge list, but maybe according to your location you will not find your local currency in this list, so it's better to use US dollars or euros to purchase some coins. And of course you can change a coin which you want to buy. Now I suggest you to buy the stable coins first, like USDT. What does it mean? If you don't know what does mean stable coins, it's the coins that backed at 1-to-1 ratio to dollar. So $1 is 1 USDT, and after that it's like digital dollar. Okay, and after that you'll be able to change this digital dollar to any crypto that you want. So for example, I want to make a deposit for 5,000 US dollars, and I want to buy USDT, or maybe you want to buy Bitcoins trade. You have an amount that you'll get, and you're just pressing buy. And that's what I wanted to show you, that when you're pressing buy, you need to pass identity verification, because it's like basic information about you, and all of those anti-laundering laws and anti-laundering processes like getting in play right here in this spot, because this platform is absolutely legal and it works according to the law, and that's why from one side you can be sure that you're safe really and your funds will not disappear, and from other side it's of course a little bit confusing that you need to provide a platform with your information. But of course this platform is very powerful and very old. It's one of the biggest, so there's no difficulties with the question of providing this platform with your information. It's absolutely secure. If they have tons of cryptocurrencies on this platform, I'm sure that your personal information will not be compromised and it will be safe for sure. So you need to pass the verification. I will skip this because nobody knows you better than yourself. And let's go to Binance main page. So for example, you want to buy Bitcoin, so you're just pressing Bitcoin here, and there's an interface that you will trade on. You see in the left top corner BTC to BUSD. For example, I want to change this currency pair. So here you have merchant, BNB, BTC, altcoins, euros, and fiat money. For example, USDT, and you see the list of available markets that you can trade on. If you're not finding the coin that you wanted in this list, by scrolling, you just can type in this search BNT BTC USDT. Yeah, here you go. So BTC USDT, alrighty, we have the current price for the token, for the coin, 24 volume BTC, 24 volume USDT, low, high price, and this is the interface. So how to actually buy cryptocurrency? Let's say that we made a deposit and we have some funds to make a purchase. There's spot, cross 3x, and isolated 10x options. I suggest you, if you're newcomer to crypto world, I suggest you to use only the spot, because cross 3x and isolated, it's all leverage, it's all about the little bit pro. But if you're not pro, definitely you need to use this spot. And you have a couple options: limit, market, and stop limit. Stop limit also, this is the option for pros, but the best way to buy cryptocurrency instantly and to have it like in a minute is this market price, because your order will be executed in a seconds within the price that that market has at the moment of the execution. And the limit, actually all you need to do is to type in your total amount of BTC. I have no money on my account, I have no cryptocurrency USD, because as I told you, I created this account just to show you how it works. Or you can use this scroll bar to make like purchase for 50% of your balance, for example. So you're just typing for 100 USDT, and max amount is 0, of course, because I don't have any amount on my balance. So you're just typing the amount of coins that you want to spend to buy BTC. And you see all those prices are here. Here in the top, you can see the last price for this cryptocurrency in this pair, in this market. So you just type it in your amount and press in buy BTC. You'll see your order right here on the bottom. And if your order is not executed yet, you can cancel all the orders, or you can cancel the specific order. Maybe the market went the different way that you wanted, the price went the different way, then or something went wrong, or you changed your mind, you can cancel. Always you can cancel your order. So the platform is absolutely reliable, the platform is absolutely powerful, and that's a big issue. And the main point of all this video, that is pretty simple. You can literally pass 3 steps. Like, first step is registration. You need to find the link in the description panel of this video, and you need to pass the registration. It's absolutely simple. It takes like less than 2 minutes. The second step is to fulfill all your personal information, all your personal data, and enable the security of your account, all the security issues. And the third step is to make the first deposit to the platform probably using your debit or credit card that you have in your pocket, because it's the most convenient way. And that's it. You have some amount, you made your deposit, you have some amount of tokens or stable coins, or straight you'll be able to buy from deposit. You can buy the crypto, any crypto that you want, and here you go. You have a crypto in your wallet. My congratulations. What to do with that all? That's a big question, of course. Or you using the cryptocurrency as a store of value, or you investing for a long time and you hope that the price will be not 57,000 for one Bitcoin, and probably in 1 year it's gonna be $100,000 and you're gonna earn some money. Or you can trade daily, or you can buy for less price and sell for the bigger price. That's up to you. Our team, little disclaimer, our team not giving you any investment advices, okay? We just made this video to show you that buy cryptocurrency, to buy Bitcoin, buy Ripple, buy Tether and other cryptocurrencies is absolutely easy and literally in a minute. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was useful, and I hope that you will earn a lot of money on it. Welcome to the crypto world. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I wish you good luck and a big profits. See you in the next one, and bye bye.